Samsung recently announced latest flagship foldable smartphones in the market, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now though company is focusing on the Galaxy S series phones, it's being reported that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 series phones. Now we've got the dimensions leaked for the Galaxy S23 Ultra thanks to reliable leaker Ice Universe on Weibo. He tells us that the S23 Ultra is coming in at 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.9 mm, which compared with the predecessor. It shows us that the thickness remains the same, the height has been increased by only 0.1 mm, and the width has been increased by 0.8 mm. The sides are a little flatter this time and the display isn't as aggressively curved as the S22 Ultra. That means we'll get slightly more screen surface area for the S Pen, which is good for note-taking or drawing. But I love curved displays. Another advantage of a curved screen is that it makes the phone look thinner than it actually is. The S23 Ultra will look exactly like the S22 Ultra from the back and from the front with the same 6.8-inch screen size, but this model with only changed slight. The rear camera of the S23 Ultra will include a 200-megapixel main camera, a 10x periscope zoom camera, a 3x telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide camera. The industry is looking forward to what Samsung can bring with the 5.1 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 combo on the S23 series. Moreover, Samsung might also recruit Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint sensor for S23 Ultra, which ensures a faster and improved fingerprint response. Not only that, it can cover a larger area than other sensor to read 2 fingers at the same time. The phone is also said to pack a 5000 mAh power charger with at least 45W fast charging wireless and reverse wireless charging. It will have Eco OLED Plus display technology, the same as the Z Fold 4. It's going to be equipped with an impressive 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor, and this is of course going to be used for the main camera. It's reportedly coming with new Hexa squared pixel binning technology. That means we're going to get low light performance on top of a very high resolution photos and videos. Now the Galaxy S23 Ultra is also going to be the first phone to feature the new UFS 4 flash storage, which is pretty much twice as fast as the previous UFS 3.1. Ice Universe mentions that the S23 Ultra is almost unchanged compared to its predecessor as far as the design is concerned. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.